Hi everyone, welcome back to Tara's Take. So today is another launch on set 2 of the Soft Floral digital kit. So let's start. I love this one. It's in blue. I told you I've been thinking about blue. There's a little turquoise in here sort of, but mostly it's just a blue, different shades of blue. So there's the first page. And these two are similar, but not exact. Then we break away completely, and this is a much deeper blue. I love this trim so much. I think it's so pretty. I fell in love with it when I saw it, and I had to use it in my design. Then there's this one, and I love the little butterflies again. I used those guys. And then we have some books. Lots of peonies. In this kit, there are a few roses. So there's a little bit of variety here. The other kit was, I think the other kit was solid peonies. Isn't that pretty? Look at that. I love that one. I really like this kit. I can't wait to use it. I'm thinking that I may use this in, do a journal out of this kit. And a lot of collaging was done in this one. I tried to break away a little bit and do the, the ones that were more solid, just flowers and stuff. But I do love the collage look behind the scenes. I think it's so pretty. This one has some yellow in it. I love that. A little bit of peach and yellow down here in the books. And up here. Oh, I love this page. Look at the butterflies. Aren't they cool looking? So much fun. I used a lot of stuff with Paris and the Eiffel Tower. I tried to use that in quite a few of the pages. So what you'll get with this kit is 20 background pages. I've got a couple of girls walking along through the flowers. A couple more over here. So you get 20 background pages, and you get, I believe it's 13 pieces of ephemera. Okay. Look at that little bird. Isn't he cute? This one here. Making sure I'm in the camera, right? This one's got some pinks. Not too much pink. The last kit was all pink. So I think, I'm not sure if I'm going to do a purple. I'm going to do one set because I wanted to do 4 sets. So I think the next one's going to be purples, and then I think I might do one with greens and turquoise possibly. We'll see. They're all 4 kits are gonna be relatable, but they all just gonna have a different color theme. I love that sign right there. So pretty. I'm really proud of how this one turned out. I hope you guys like it. And then here starts the ephemera. Now, I ran out of paper, okay? So I ended up, this is on glossy. Look at that. And didn't they turn out cool? Isn't that beautiful in the glossy photo? I wasn't sure, but I ran out of, I ran out of paper on my matte paper. So I was like, okay, I'm going to do it on the glossy because that's all I've got. But I ended up really liking it. I had only bought the glossy to try and do it, use it with alcohol inks. So I've never used it. And I had 3 pages here that have the glossy. So these little guys on mine will be like that. Who knows? Maybe I'll start liking it and start printing stuff out. So here we have all the, I didn't really talk about them, did I? We have the little tags that can be, you can actually fold these and turn them into tabs. I usually use them as little, either to decorate with, or I use them as little mini journal cards. And then you have the 2 big sets of journal cards, the first 2 pages. And then you have, these can be used as smaller square journal cards, or they can be used as pockets. Okay, and then you have these circles. I love to decorate with circles, so I always try to add some into my kits. And then in this one, I did just page strips because I just loved them. I love strips, so you know how I am. So I thought these would be cool. You can cut them down and half them. You could do them as tucks on the side of your page. You can use like half of it and use it as a tuck, a pocket, you know. Or you can just use it as a decorative strip on the edge of your pages. And then here we have 2 really large journal cards or pockets. And then 3 more journal cards. Okay. And this was done on Canva with a grid. So that's why it's right to the edge, because it was done on a grid. And then I did some more journal cards with the faded background like I did in the other kit. Okay. I did a couple pages of those. So you get like, what, 16 journal card, large, or no. Did I double? No, I didn't. It's in there. Okay. There's another page of those. And then we have some tags. And then some more adverts that are used. All these are from the collages that are in the background. Okay. These are all the different things that I used in the background. And those can, of course, be used as pocket stuffers, you know. So there you go. So you get 13, like I said, you get 13 pages of ephemera, and you get 20 background pages. And it is available in the shop as we speak. I hope you enjoyed today's video, or today's launch, and I hope you like the kit, and that you'll go get you one and play with it and have some fun with it and enjoy it in your journals. Thank you so much for being with me today. I love you guys. God bless you, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.